Hi guys, this is part 2. It's gonna be the second box. Let's see, I left out a couple of shoutouts, but it's not that big of a deal. First one's gonna be to White Thomas, but he took all of his cards with him, so I can't, pull out double edged sword technique, and that would be a shoutout card because of how gay he is with it. Second is gonna be to Dan, because I still owe you this, but in a musical form. But I'll just have to wait. Once you get a phone, if you know what I mean. But anyways. Alright, let's go with the second box. Okay, so I did pull my Trishula out of the first box. I didn't get any Landoises or Exteriors out of that one. It's not that big of a deal as long as I get my Trishula. Let's see if I can pull a second one here. Let's go with this half here. Some of these are harder to open than others. Alright. The core. Coctor. Jurek. And another Birdman. I'm gonna see how many Birdmans I can get. Doing a lot of these Gen X allies. And some of these other Dragoonies. The only other Dragoonies other than the Dragoony Knights in here that are pretty good are going to be Corseska, I believe. I don't play Dragoony, so I don't know. Oh, there's an Exterior. Another Nizuch. And I heard this Mantis is pretty good out, actually, if you're going to be running like an Interior Lockdown deck. Another White Oak. Trishula. Brainy Stock. I believe that was in the structure deck also. Okay. Ally Reliever. So another Birdman. I'm gonna tally up all my Birdmans. And I need one more Cerebral. Here we go, there's Landois. See if I can get Trishulas out of this box. Try on. Pegasus. Another Pylon. It's probably one of the worst secret rares if you ask me. The fact that it's just a reprint. And he's actually not that good. I think anyone that runs Dragoonies runs them. Power Cell, Cat Sith. I think some people are running Cat Sith in their Dragoony decks, maybe just like teching one, just for the discard effect, and you get a plus out of that. I don't know, just a thought, I guess. Another White Oak, Ganasha. Some of these are hard to open than others. A lot of these Gen X allies. Hedgehog. Birdman. I think that's about 5 or 6 Birdmen so far. Another Pilus. Gosh, these are worthless. Nizuch. I don't think anyone's gonna run that. Alright, second half. I might have missed one pack from that half. Barcha. The Dragoony players. I think I got Trident earlier. I didn't get a Barcha yet, but there we go. Ice Barrier. I don't even know if they're good or not. To run a dedicated Ice Barrier deck at least. I know the Ice Barrier Synchro is good. Kadabi. Drag Meteor. I think that's my second one. Still haven't got my Trishula out of this box. I might pull one before. Still got about 8 packs or 7 packs left. Imagine X Ally, Ganasha. Pretty much gonna make that full-fledged Fable deck already. Need one more server roll up. Second land voice. This set, or this box. Okay, another exterior. I think those went down in price a lot. So he's not too easy to get out. I mean, you can use that illusion summoners guy. It's kind of like the unbanned Cyberstein, and I believe with instant fusion or something like that. Actually, I don't know. I don't know what the text says. Alright, down to 4 more packs. No Trishula out of this box set. It sucks if I only get that one out of that other box. Nothing here. Okay, 3 more packs. No Trishula yet. Losing a little bit of hope here. Not out of here. Got one more pack. Alright, let's see. Last pack. Well, it's gonna be Serval. The no Trishula out of that box, that kinda sucks. But I believe I got my 3 Servals, but only 1 Trishula, so I guess that's alright. I'm gonna try with it. Well, I believe it was alright, I guess. I mean, I kinda got my money's worth. Kinda sucks I didn't get a Trishula out of that second box. But, alright, thanks for watching, guys.